What is Zentobox? It's more than just billing software. We've developed the Zentobox specifically for anaesthetists and to enable us to support their practices. It's more than just a tool, it's a practice management software. So the Zentobox is a bit of software that we've built to support our doctors so that we can support their practices. Unlike alternatives where a service will go and subscribe to a bit of software that the software vendors believe that is the right thing for the practice and then rely on feedback from all of their customers, we use this software ourselves to support our doctors' practices on a day-by-day basis. We have direct and immediate feedback as what's working and what's not working. We have direct and immediate feedback if there's a bug, if there's a problem that needs to be fixed. We can see how the software needs to be adapted and changed on an ongoing basis. We implement features to enable us to support the practices better. So if, for example, we see that our doctors like a particular aspect of the software, we'll invest more time and effort into building out that part of the software. Recently, we've got these post-anaesthetic patient satisfaction surveys automated inside the software, and we're now about to implement pre-anaesthetic health questionnaires or health questionnaires, so that will be all automated, and you'll be able to set up notifications and alerts so that if particular questions are answered in a particular way, you get notified that a patient is coming into your universe according to the notification settings that you want. How does Zentobox support busy anaesthetists? Streamlined billing processes. It's very easy to capture the information you need for your billing while you're in theatre. You just capture the patient sticker, record the time, select your item numbers, and you're done. No data entry, nothing more required from you. Patient questionnaire management. We've got pre-anaesthetic health questionnaires built into the software that will go out to all your patients according to your specifications. We've got post-anaesthetic patient surveys or patient satisfaction surveys automated to go out to all your patients, so you get that direct and immediate feedback. Integration with practice workflow. The Zentobox is set up when you come on board. We set up your standing orders so that your preferences are configured, and then all patients are automatically sent estimates, IFC, according to your requirements. Over many years of supporting many doctors with off-the-shelf billing software, we identified that all of these bits of software only provided one function. We needed software that could support a practice rather than just doing a job. We wanted software that was more than a tool. We wanted a software that was actually a practice management application. When a list comes in, the data gets uploaded into the Zentobox. Estimates are prepared according to your standing orders and are sent out in the form of IFC to your patients. Patients then click on the button in the email so that they can do their pre-authorization for the out-of-pocket amount before the list. This gives you confidence to know that your credit risk is covered. On the day of the list, you get a notification telling you if any patients have not yet done their pre-auth, notifying you and giving you the opportunity to have a conversation with that patient on the day to say, hey man, you haven't done your pre-auth. If you haven't done your pre-authorization, then you may not want to operate on that patient. You may not want to proceed. You may want to give them the opportunity to do it before you get going. All of these are designed to reduce your credit risk. How does it work with Zento's team? When we get a list, we upload the data into the Zentobox. The Zentobox automatically calculates estimates based on your standing orders. These are sent to patients in the form of IFC, so that when you do your list, you know that that site is covered. During your list, you capture an image of the sticker, record your times, and then we use that information to convert the estimate into an account, processing everything so you get paid. There is, of course, a lot more complexity and detail behind all of this, and we're happy to take you through that and customize it to your needs so that we can support your practice.